Strengthen your immunity naturally. Your immune system is your body's shield, and nature gives us everything we need to keep it strong. Here are 6 natural ways to boost your immunity without relying on artificial supplements. Number 1. Sleep. Quality rest strengthens immune response more than anything else. Aim for 7 to 8 hours each night. Number 2. Hydration. Water helps transport nutrients and flush out waste. Try herbal teas with ginger, lemon, or tulsi for an added immune kick. Number 3. Sunlight. Just 15 minutes a day helps your body produce vitamin D, which powers your immune defense. Number 4. Eat colorful fruits and vegetables. The brighter the color, the more antioxidants they contain. Focus on oranges, berries, and leafy greens. Number 5. Use immune herbs like echinacea, garlic, and ginger. These natural powerhouses help your body fight bacteria and viruses. And number 6. Manage stress. Chronic stress weakens the immune system over time, so take breaks, breathe deeply, and stay grounded. Your immune system thrives when your lifestyle is in harmony with nature. Stay rested, eat fresh, live mindfully, and your body will take care of you. Follow Natural Living World for more nature-powered health wisdom.